and talk about NBFCs. Today, the space is surely buzzing in trade, and we have a couple of brokerage notes that have come in as well. Let's firstly go to Lisa and understand in terms of what is JPMorgan and HSBC. Both of them seem positive on it. So what is their view on it? Which are the NBFCs that they're liking? Lisa, what's the update from this brokerage note?
Well, yes, a couple of brokerages, they have released a report on NBFC sector, and they are sounding quite bullish and positive on the sector. Well, what JPMorgan has highlighted is that the NBFC sector, the loan growth is quite high, and it has even outpaced that of banks. Even HBFC holds the same view. They say that the outperformance that could continue, and an earnings upgrade cycle is underway, and that will boost NBFC sector going forward. Well, HSBC, they have hiked the target price for almost all the NBFC companies, M&M Finance, Bajaj Finance, SBI Card, L&T Finance, as well as LIC Housing. For JPMorgan, the top picks remains Bajaj Finance and L&T Finance. Now, why Bajaj Finance? Because they believe that the earnings could compound at a growth rate of around 25% CAGR over the next 3 years. And for L&T Finance, the valuations are quite reasonable as well as attractive. What they have also highlighted is that the investors, because of the high challenges seen in the historical challenges seen in NBFC sector, they have under-allocated on NBFC. But because of the state of the credit cycle and also the macro setup on rates, JPMorgan believes that investors are likely to add NBFCs in their portfolio. So that's on JPMorgan and HSBC on NBFC sector.
Well, stay with us, Lisa. There's Nomura who has also come out with a new note on five-star business. Please elaborate more on that front.
Yes, absolutely. Nomura has initiated coverage on five-star business with a buy at a target price of around 750 per share. What they are highlighting is that it's a profitable and among the fastest growing NBFC in the niche market, because they cater to segments like micro entrepreneurs, and this large untapped opportunity with limited competition that is expected to drive their AUM growth by around 30% in the next 3 to 4 years. The multi-layered underwriting that is also driving superior asset quality, and among their financial peers, they are the best in class in terms of profitability and also superior growth. However, they have flagged off some key risks, saying that rising competition from fintech lenders as well as worse than expected asset quality deterioration that we have to keep a watch on. So that's on Nomura, and that's the on the entire NBFC sector pack for today.